Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Roblox memory dump. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to fix memory dump, you must be on Windows 11 because memory dump problems or issues are only for those who are on Windows 11 and playing Roblox. But if you're not on Windows 11, you got no problem. You can just simply get on with it. But if you're on Windows 11, you're on the right place. So what you can do is just simply head over to your settings and you just simply need to type in Windows security. Once you type it in, you'll see some Windows security options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on device security. And right over here, you'll have this as your security processor if you're not on Windows 11. But if you're in Windows 11, you'll see the option of core isolation. So you just gotta press on core isolation like that, and you'll see the option of memory integrity on the top. And what you gotta do is just simply turn off memory integrity, and yeah, you'll be good. Once you've done that, your memory dump problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.